All right guys, welcome back to Auto Rebuild, and today we're doing a video on budget build. So we're here at IAA again. We're gonna find cars that we think are personal opinion based off the damages and stuff that will cost you less than $10,000 fixed and repaired. So we're just gonna go down the list of a couple cars for you guys, just so you guys have an idea of roughly what will get you 10 grand. And like I said before, this is just our personal opinion. Obviously there's a lot of things that matter, plus minus, you know, if the engine's damaged or if there's unhidden damages that are unknown, they will obviously add a significant amount of dollar amount to your final price on the car. But this is based off of what we can see in our judgment. So let's get into it and see what we can find. All right guys, so the first car that we got here is a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. And it's got 79,000 miles. It does have some front end damage. Obviously the hood. The car does start. So the engine is not damaged to a point where it can't start. There might be little components on it that might need replaced. Hoses, stuff like that. But for the most part, you know, when it says the car starts, there is no physical engine damage. So let's just go around and see what other damages are on the car. So the fender is kinked, but it's repairable. It's definitely repairable if you want to fix it. The rest of the body looks pretty good. It's got a small dent there. The quarter panel is scuffed and has a dent right here. The bumper's scuffed up, so we'll need to be repainted. Let's take a look at the interior. The interior looks clean, doesn't smell bad. All the airbags are good. And that's another thing. If you're just starting in this stuff, like rebuilding cars and stuff like that, I would definitely recommend finding cars that don't have blown airbags. It is fixable, it's all repairable, but it will save you a lot of hassle, time and money if you just start out with cars that don't have airbag damage. And yeah, that way you got one less thing to worry about when you're fixing the car. You can focus on the damages, repair the parts that you can see that are damaged, and then once you get comfortable, you can buy cars that have all blown airbags. Like I said, it's all repairable, it's all fixable, there's parts out there, it's all doable, but just depending on how comfortable you are working on those type of cars. So let's go find some other cars. All right, the next car is a 2008 Subaru Impreza. So it's got some front end damage. The frame rails look fine. The core support's pushed in. We'll need some radiators. Motor looks all right, but this one does not state if it runs or drives. And then with these Subarus, the engines in the front, they do have the timing belt covers. So if those timing belt covers do get damaged, sometimes it will jump timing, bend valves, and then you got a big headache. So look out for that, guys. And if you are gonna bid on stuff like this, just something to keep in mind. This car does have 99,000 miles on it. Manual transmission. Interior definitely needs a detail. But another plus for this one is the airbags are also in good shape. So, I mean, this I think would definitely be a easy fix if the motor's not damaged, and this should cost well under $10,000. All right, so next we got is a 2014 Ford Mustang with the V6 engine in it. And it looks pretty clean, white, good color. This side looks good. Trunk's got some firewood in there. But here's where the damages are at, guys. So it will need a quarter panel. Will need a door. The roof seems to be fine. This fender seems to be fine, maybe a little scratches here and there. And then this one, the front end is in good shape. Motor's a little dusty, but it's clean. The car's not rusty. Let's go check out the interior and see what we got in there. So the interior is pretty clean. It does stink in here. The only thing that's blown is the seat airbag. So that could be fixed. Not too bad. And if you buy it right, you know, prices vary. You can't guarantee a price on these cars, on any of these cars. It all depends on the auction, depends on the day, depends on the weather, depends on who's bidding on them. So I feel like if you buy it right, with parts and everything, you should be in this car for under 10 grand, which I think would be a good deal. It's a nice car, it's a Mustang, people like them, they're sporty. And let's go see if we can find a couple more cars, and let's go see what we can get. All right guys, so the last car we got is a 2013 Scion TC. It does have some front end damage. Doesn't look very bad. Doesn't look bad at all, it just looks like a bumper's missing. Overall, it's in good shape. The body is pretty clean. Bumper tab's a little messed up. The interior is in good shape. Airbag's not deployed. It's a run and drive car with 61,000 miles and would be a great fixer-upper. Let's look under the hood. Engine looks spotless. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. We just gave you guys our opinion on what we think you guys can buy, fix up, and it would cost you about $10,000 or under $10,000 actually. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and then also let us know. If you do like this kind of video, we will make more videos. We could do bigger budgets, and stay tuned. God bless.